Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. And in this quick video I'm going to be showing you how you can simply send your Bitcoin from your Coinbase mobile app to your Trust Wallet application. Now what we're simply going to do is open up Coinbase, scroll down to where you see send, click on Bitcoin, and we're going to be using the address we're going to get from our Trust Wallet. So we minimize, head back to Trust Wallet, click on receive, make sure it's Bitcoin, click on receive, click on copy, head back to Coinbase, paste that address right here, paste on clipboard, click on continue, and now you're taken to the menu where you can input the amount of USD or Bitcoin you want to send, so you can easily switch between the two. This arrow right here indicates the switch. So we're going to be sending $20 worth of Bitcoin. We simply click on preview, give it some time to load in, and once you've previewed this, you'd simply have some Bitcoin deposited here on your Trust Wallet. It will show in transactions. Alright guys, comment down below if you have any questions concerning how we can go about this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.